Hello students, good morning. How are you all? Hope you all are fine. Yes, you all are enjoying the chilly weather. Yes, winters. Yes, not ready to get up. Okay, no problem children, but still we have to study. We are at home and at home we can open up our laptops, open up your mobiles and sit in your bed and study, right? So this is the facility which COVID has provided you. Okay. So we were on the last topic, that was homophones, right? We were on homophones. Let's revise quickly what is homophones. Yes, homophones are words which have the same sound. They have the same sound, but the meaning is different, right? Let's see some more examples. The first word is send. What do you mean by send? भेजना, right? Another send. आपने सेंट लगाया क्या? खुशबू आ रही है. So that means send. Okay. The next word, सीरियल. मम्मी रोज टीवी में सीरियल देखती है ना? हाँ, पर सीरियल्स अनाज हमारे खाने के लिए बहुत अच्छे होते हैं, पौष्टिक होते हैं, राइट? चूज, CHOOSE, choose. Choose your favorite toffee, choose your favorite chocolate, choose your favorite ice cream. Yes, chew. ये chew यानी चबाना, right? The plural of चबाना is chews. Okay. तो हम खाना चबाते हैं. The cow chews her food. Hay, घास चराती है, right? So that means choose. Choose यानी select. Choose यानी चबाना, खाना चबाना, right? We must always chew our food. Next, sight. SITE. कुछ लोग बोलते हैं ना, पापा साइट पे गए काम करने, तो साइट मतलब जो जगह जहाँ पे काम करते हैं, that is sight. Okay. और साइट, नजर, हमारी नजर, साइट, आंखों से दिखना. Next, tale, TALE, tale. Tale यानी story. I love fairy tales. मुझे परियों की कहानी बहुत पसंद है, right? मुझे एडवेंचरस कहानियाँ पसंद है. और टेल, मंकी की टेल, TAIL, टेल. The voice is, the sound is same, but the word and the spelling is different. Wood, 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 WOULD. wood यानी लकड़ी, wood यानी करूँगा. Next, fine. फाइन लगाते हैं. He was fined for coming late. Fine, FIND यानी किसी चीज का मिलना. Find it, जाओ ढूंढ के लेके आओ. Go and find my pen. Next, road, 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 जिस पर हम चलते हैं. रोड, गाड़ी चलाना. He rode very roughly, उसने बहुत बुरी तरीके से गाड़ी चलाई. रोड. राइड करते हो ना? I like to ride bicycle. I like to ride scooty, right? So he rode the scooty very roughly. उसने बहुत रफली गाड़ी चलाई. Next, through, THREW, through. Through यानी फेंकना. Past tense of throw. Through, आर, THROUGH. I saw the stars through binoculars. Binoculars से मैंने आसमान में stars को देखा, right? Last word is R. आर। ये आर यानी हमारा और ये आर यानी टाइम। ओके, so please note down these words. After this we'll be doing the exercise. Let's revise the words once again. Sent यानी भेजना, SENT सेंट यानी भेजना, SCENT सेंट यानी खुशबू। आप फूलों की खुशबू लेते हो? यस। सीरियल, ये वाले वो सीरियल्स जो ममा देखती है, सीरियल्स यानी अनाज। चूज, सिलेक्ट, च्यू चबाना। साइट, जहां पर काम करते हैं, द प्लेस वेयर यू आर वर्किंग इज द साइट। जहां कंस्ट्रक्शन वर्क होता है, स्पेशली कंस्ट्रक्शन वर्क होता है, यहाँ पर साइट यानी हमारी आंखों की दृष्टि। टेल, TALE टेल कहानी। TAIL टेल पूंछ, मंकी हैज अ लॉन्ग टेल। वुड, द टेबल इज मेड ऑफ वुड। आई वुड लाइक टू कम टू योर हाउस, मैं तुम्हारे घर आना चाहता हूं। आई वुड लाइक टू कम टू योर हाउस। फाइन, जुर्माना। फाइन, ढूंढना। रोड, सड़क, रोड चलाना। थ्रू, फेंकना। थ्रू, इसके थ्रू देखना। आवर, हमारा। आर, टाइम, घंटा। ओके, so I hope this is very clear. After this we'll move on to the exercise. So children, please complete your work by the time I'm waiting for you. Hope children you have completed the work. Let's read the words once again. Scent, cereals, choose, sight, tail, wood, find, road, through, are. Right? So here we are done with the sentences and let's watch over the exercise. Now see, let's see how to do the exercise. How we are going to do the exercise on homophones. Okay? There's nothing hard in it. Only you have to read the sentence properly and then choose the correct word. Okay? Exercise. Now let's move on to the first sentence. My first sentence is I love the dash of fresh popped this is P, fresh popped popcorn. Now this is the sentence. Okay. Now in bracket you will be given two words which sound the same. SENT, scent, SCENT, scent. अब ये scent यानी भेजना and this scent मतलब खुशबू. Right? So I love the dash of fresh popcorns. जब पॉपकॉर्न्स फूटते हैं और जो खुशबू आती है वो मुझे बहुत पसंद है। राइट? तो यहाँ पे कौन सा आएगा? सेंट, SCENT, सेंट, क्योंकि ये सेंट तो भेजना होता है तो ये तो आएगा नहीं। दिस सेंट इज खुशबू। राइट? सो मूव ऑन टू द नेक्स्ट सेंटेंस। अ मंकी has a T-A-I-L. Now, what you have to do? T-A-L-E, tail. Tail का मतलब समझो. What do you mean by tail? Tail मतलब story. T-A-I-L, tail. मंकी की पूंछ होती है, मंकी की स्टोरी नहीं होती. तो मेरा स्पेलिंग T-A-I-L, tail आएगा यहाँ पर, right? So my answer is T-A-I-L, tail. Okay, so I think this is very clear how you have to write the correct word. Next sentence, number 3. He dashed his gums loudly. स्कूल में वो बात में लगाती हूँ, मेरा लेक्चर चल रहा है, मैं स्कूल में वो बात में लगाती हूँ. He dashed his gums loudly. Now my options are choose or choose. Right? चूज यानी सिलेक्ट करना. तो क्या मैं मसूड़े सिलेक्ट करता हूँ? नहीं, चबाता हूँ. जोर जोर से खाते वक्त चबाते हैं ना, वो साउंड. तो चूज. करेक्ट. नेक्स्ट, they started working dash away. They started working dash away. Now my options are right, उनने आते से काम चालू कर दिया. तो लिखने वाला काम चालू किया क्या? नहीं. स्टार्टेड राइट अवे, तुरंत. राइट मतलब यहाँ पे क्या आएगा? तुरंत. RIGHT, राइट अवे. ओके. नेक्स्ट, butter is dash from milk. Right? My options are MAID, made, MADE, made. Right? Now the meaning. MAID, made, जो हमारे घर पे काम करने आती है. MADE, made, made यानी बनाना, बनता. So butter is made, बनाया जाता है. कैसे बनाया जाता है? दूध से. So butter is made, MADE, made. Butter is made from milk, right? So yes, I think the sentences are very clear. I love the scent of fresh popped popcorns. A monkey has a long tail. He chews his gums loudly. They started working right away. Butter is made from milk. Right? Now children, you can complete the sentences. Waiting for you. Write in neat and clean writing, blue line to blue line. Hope you have completed your work. Let's move further. Yes. Number 6. Please dash for a moment. My options are WAIT wait, WEIGHT wait. देखो, please wait for a moment. Wait मतलब रुको, दूसरा wait मतलब वजन. तो please वजन for a moment नहीं. Then please wait. So my answer is WAIT wait. Next. A dash raised with a tortoise. Now, HARE here, HAIR here. Now the difference, HARE hair मतलब rabbit, HAIR hair मतलब बाल. तो कौन सा आंसर आएगा यहाँ पे? किसने रेस लगाई थी टॉर्टोइस के साथ, कछुए के साथ? खरगोश. तो HARE है. नेक्स्ट. He spent dash day reading in bed. Now what are my options? HOLE, WHOLE, right? So what are my options? He spent, whole मतलब पूरा और HOLE whole मतलब गड्ढा. तो क्या आंसर आएगा? What will be my answer? He spent whole day, पूरा दिन. Whole day, पूरा दिन, right? Right? Now, can you dash me from dash? My options are HEAR, HERE, right? Can you, क्या तुम सुन सकते हो? तो हियर की स्पेलिंग क्या आएगी? HEAR, hear me. Can you hear me from here? क्या यहाँ से मुझे सुन सकते हो? तो यहाँ पे HERE, hear मतलब यहाँ, और दूसरा hear मतलब सुनना, right? Next, number 10. She brought a new dash of shoes. Now what are my answers? PAIR, PEAR, right? जूते की जोड़ लेके आए. So PAIR मतलब जोड़, PEAR मतलब फल. Now what will be my right answer? Pair, PAIR, right? So this is my answer. Next, the girl was dash with fear. P-A-I-L-P-A-L-E. Right. अब fear का मतलब डर. The girl was dash with डर. Right, fear. तो the girl was dash with fear. अब pale, मैंने बताया था फीका पड़ जाना, कमजोर हो जाते हो तो चेहरे पे अपन चेहरा उतर जाता है ना, कमजोर दिखाई देता है चेहरे से. तो जब घबरा जाते हैं, डर जाते हैं, तो आपका चेहरा कैसा दिखता है? डरा हुआ दिखता है. तो PAIL पेल मतलब एक बाल्टी पानी, PALE पेल मतलब चेहरे का रंग उड़ा हुआ. सो वो क्या हुआ? डर के मारे उसके चेहरे का रंग उड़ गया था. राइट, घबरा गई थी. हम चेहरे से पहचान जाते हैं ना, क्यों डर, काय का डर लग रहा है, कौन है, घबराहट मालूम पड़ता है. राइट, सो द गर्ल वॉज पेल विथ फियर. Right? So now you can complete your work. We'll continue this further. Yes, what are the sentences written on the board? Please wait for a moment. The hare raced with a tortoise. He spent whole day reading in bed. Can you hear me from here? She brought a new pair of shoes. The girl was pale with fear. Right? Hope you all have completed your work. Let's move further. Okay. Number 12. Dash teacher will come after and dash. Now what are my options? Hour. Right? Now HOUR मतलब घंटा, R मतलब हमारा. So dash teacher. Which teacher? Our teacher. Right? So here we will have OUR. Our teacher will come after an hour. Okay. Next. His dash is sitting in the dash. Now my options are SUN oblique SON. So his dash is sitting in the dash. His son, उनका बेटा, SON son, is sitting in the sun, धूप में, उनका बेटा धूप में बैठा है. So this is how you have to take out the meaning, right? SON sun यानी बेटा, SUN sun यानी धूप. Okay, next. SALE, SAIL सेल मतलब तैरना, SALE सेल मतलब बेचना, बेचने के लिए रखा है, तो boats sail. ओके, next, is this house for dash, SALE SAIL, क्या ये घर बेचने का है? SALE, is this house for sale? Can you dash the dash from here? Now my options are SEE, right? So C मतलब देखना, C मतलब समुद्र, तो मेरे ऑप्शंस कैसे आएंगे? कैन यू सी, क्या तुम देख सकते हो? द सी, यहां से समुद्र को देख सकते हो? क्वेश्चन मार्क. नेक्स्ट, आई डैश द बॉल डैश द window, right? Now my options are THREW, through, 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 through यानी फेंकना और विंडो से बाहर, तो बाहर मतलब through, right? So I फेंकी, I threw the ball, THREW, कहां से फेंकी मैंने? विंडो में से, थ्रू, THROUGH, थ्रू, राइट? So I hope now this chapter is very clear to all of you, and even if still you have any problem, you can contact me, you can send me on the WhatsApp, you can call me. I am always there to help you, right? So now you can complete your work, children. Okay children, hope you might have completed the work, and children, this is the end of homophones. After this topic we will be starting with interjections, right? And hope it is very clear. In this topic the only thing that you have to understand is understand the meaning of the words. And to understand the meaning of the word, even if you read these sentences again and again, I think many doubts will be clear, right? And hope you all will complete your copies, and we end up our session over here today and meet you in our next lecture. Okay, bye bye children, take care.